In this video, I will explain you how you can use Chai, the assertion library in JavaScript testing framework. So it is generally used with Mocha and other unit testing frameworks in Java. It's very popular assertion library. So we will see how to use that in your code. So this is the official website of Chai, and you can see that there are mainly three styles of assertions in this library: should, expect, and assert. All these three styles serve the same purpose, that is, they are doing the assertions. You can choose any of them. Like if you like should style, then you can use should. If you like expect, you can use expect, or if you like assert, then you can use assert. But nowadays most of the people prefer this should style because it sounds more user friendly. So you can see here, if you want to use the should style, you have to use this chai.should statement at the first line in your test code. And you can see this is the syntax. For example, if you want to check that this foo contains the string, then foo dot should be a string. Like that, you can check the that foo contains, or it should be a string. You can check the type of that foo. Then let us say if foo contains the bar, then you can use foo should equal bar. Then if you want to check the length of that foo, then you can say foo should have length of 3. Then t should have property flavors dot width dot length of 3. So this is just one style. Now if you want to use the expect style of assertions, you can do the same thing using this syntax as well. So first statement is we need to refer to this chai.expect module, and then in the expect you can see the difference in the syntax. We are calling this expect function and passing this actual value there, and then dot to be a string. Then expect foo dot to dot equal bar. So you can see these assertions are also doing the same thing. Only difference is the syntax wise. Otherwise it's all the same, one and same thing. And the same way we can do it in assert style as well, chai.assert. And here you can see there is a assert object, and we are calling the methods on that object, like assert.equal actual value and expected value. So these are the three styles. Now I'm gonna demonstrate this with example. So here is one example that demonstrates all these styles. First thing that we need to do is we need to refer to should, expect, and assert objects. And over here, this example is talking about should style. So what we are doing is we are checking the length of sagar is 5, and this is the syntax: length dot should dot equals 5. Then in this example we are splitting this string sagar colon sarungi by colon, and then the first array element should equal to sagar. So this is the syntax: array of 0 dot should dot equal sagar. Now to do the same thing using expect syntax, you can use this style: expect, pass the parameter, actual parameter, and then here you are checking the expected parameter, expect that length dot equals 5. And same way for the assertions, only the syntax is different: assert dot equal, and then expected actual values. Now let us run this code. So we have to use this command npm test. You can see in should describe block we had 2 tests, and 2 have passed. Then in the expect block we have 2 tests, assert block we have the same 2 tests but with different assertion style. So that's how we can use the Chai assertion library. It's very simple, only syntax wise a little bit differences, but otherwise it's pretty simple to use this assertion library in your JavaScript tests. Thanks for watching this video.